Hi there, this is Rico, and we are looking at a classic 30 Peavey combo amp that's in repair. And this amp has been absolutely the most difficult unit I have ever worked on. I've had this amp about a year and a half trying to run down the problems in it, and I've replaced almost every component in the amp, all the capacitors, both transformers, and I've resoldered the amp a couple of times. One of the biggest problems was, of course, the jumpers that are used. As you can see them right there, those little wire bands. And the fact that the circuit board trace is quite thin on this circuit, which you could see it if I turned it over, but I'm not going to.